Live events change lives. That's why people go. It's not just the content. It's the community. It's the people you're around. It's the friendships that are created. It is everything. It's the environment that makes the difference. That's why I am putting together unboxing events, VIP experiences. And the very first experience that we're tackling is business mastery. So we are going in August. Business mastery is from August 6th through August 11th. Okay? So it's a 5-day event. We are going as a group to business mastery for the first VIP experience. But how we go is the fun part. So instead of August 6th is a Tuesday. So it's Tuesday through Sunday. Instead of spending Monday traveling, we have rented a mansion. And this is limited to 29 people. Only 29 people will be invited to this VIP experience. That's why there's no place for you to put in your credit card on this page, because we qualify everybody who wants to go. If you're not a good fit, we don't want you to be there. Okay? It's nothing against people who aren't a good fit, but the quality of people you're around makes a huge difference. So there's only going to be 29 people invited to this VIP experience. It's actually going to start Friday, August 2nd. So we have the mansion from Friday, August 2nd through Monday, August 12th. So that gives you time to get into Las Vegas, which is where the event is going to be, and get settled. So Saturday, this whole event is about having fun and learning together. So business mastery is all about business and growth. Business owners are the only people who are going to be invited. Business owners and C-level people. It's going to be a very high caliber of individual that you'll get to spend the next 10 days with. And so Saturday, we're starting by going to a show together. It is going to be, I'm not going to tell you what show. Everything's going to be a surprise. I'm just going to tell you, a limo is going to pick us all up, take us to the show. They'll be waiting when the show's done to take us wherever else we want to go. This is all about having fun. Sunday, we're all going to dinner together. Again, a limo will pick us up, take us to the venue, which I'm not going to tell you, but I'm so excited. I've got some amazing things planned for this VIP experience. We're going to have catered and private chefs come take care of every meal for us. So you don't have to worry about meals. You don't have to worry about travel, because getting to and from business mastery, we're going to have shuttles or limos, haven't quite decided which, take us everywhere we need to go. That way we don't have to worry about it. This is a true VIP experience. We'll have a photographer there, so if you need headshots, if you need any marketing photos, anything like that, we can get those taken care of for you. It is going to be a ton of fun. And then when Business Mastery starts, every evening, we'll be able to share lessons learned, share what we're learning. And on Monday, August 5th, we're having a full day of planned masterminding. I've got some special guests who will be showing up either in person or remote. We haven't figured that piece of the pie out yet. But it is going to be an amazing event. So if you would like to unbox Business Mastery and experience the VIP, go through the VIP experience, scroll down, click reserve my spot, and give me as much information as you can, because I'm the one vetting everybody. And I'll reach out to you. We'll have a conversation about your business, what you're doing, where you want to go, how you're going to get there. And we'll make a decision together, is this a right fit? Because frankly, it's not. So there's a lot of different ways pricing will range for this. The cheapest is $5,500 up to $7,500, depending on rooms, how you want to stay, who you want to stay with, stuff like that. And that's all details we'll work out on the phone together. So, if unboxing Business Mastery VIP experience sounds like something you'd like to try out, I'd love to have you with us. Go ahead, hit apply, give me your information. I'll reach out to you as soon as we can, and we'll get this bad boy scheduled and planned. And boy, it's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. So, again, scroll down, reserve your spot, give me your details, and I'll call you. We'll set up a time to have a conversation, get to know each other, and see if this is a good fit for everybody involved.